Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Aiuca 6-inch mini chainsaw. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Okay, so as we get the box open, you'll find that it comes in a nice little hard case that is meant to kind of carry for work sites and stuff like that. It does have its nice little design here, which we'll have to get off just to kind of make sure we use this. All right, and then once you get that out off the packaging, the way to open this, you'll actually want this facing away from you, and you're just going to have these clips, which you're just going to pop open, and then you'll find a lot of good stuff here. So you'll have an additional chain, which is great. You'll have your instruction manual. I do highly recommend that you read through this, understand exactly what's going on. You'll have some work gloves. You'll have a big screwdriver for the purpose of changing out your 6-inch chainsaw blade. And then, of course, you'll have the actual device itself, which is going to work with these batteries. You'll have your charging cable here. It's going to plug right into, I'm sorry, I'm picking up the wrong device here. It's going to plug right into the batteries, like so. And so you'll just charge them up, a simple DC outlet. And then, of course, you'll have some safety goggles. Always wear your goggles. And this thing is great because, again, everything's set up to be kind of portable, fitting in really nicely into the box. Everything's got kind of its own place to be. Now, please note, some of these things do require oil. I do not see any oil required here, which is really nice. And, once you do actually have this battery in place, which we'll demonstrate outside, we're going to have kind of our safety button and then our actual button. So you can't actually pull this without having the safety button in. And then, of course, you have a hand guard to kind of protect you. And then this will be a guard as well, just as you're cutting through things to get you, so you're not getting stuff shot completely right back at you coming up through here as it cuts. So this thing looks awesome. So I'm looking forward to kind of getting it back in here. And again, you can keep all your pieces, parts and pieces in with it, however you choose to do this. It all should fit right back in very easily for travel. Now, obviously, I'm not going to keep everything in here when I'm moving around with it, but it should just all fit in nice and easy. Then you'll clip it up, and easy portability. So let's take this thing outside and cut some stuff down. All right. So one of my favorite ways to use this is cutting down bamboo. And again, all we're going to do is strap this battery in, and that thing runs right from the go. So again, make sure you're wearing safety goggles. And like that, we can cut that thing really fast, take the power back off, put it away, and then just save this thing for the next project. It's just that easy. So to me, totally worth buying. This thing is awesome. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.